Hello guys, welcome to Kulfi Software Services. In this video I will explain you how you can change the text color and size. So let's select a template. So I am just selecting this template and you can see which template I selected. Yeah, customer needs assessment. So I'm just going to change the text color, which is black in this. So you have to simply go in the settings section and you can see here a text color is given, which is selected as black. So I will change it to red. So after refreshing, you can see now the text color is red. So now I will show you how to change the text size. Here you can see text size, which is set to the medium. So I will select it and you can see that different sizes are given, that is extra large, large, medium, small, extra small, extra small. So I'm just selecting this extra large. So I will select this and you can see after refreshing the size will increase to extra large. This is the maximum size. Yes, you can see this size is now changed. So customization in Kulfi form is very easy, as all steps are very easy. So thank you. For more information, please watch our next video.